What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another new video. Weeks after Oppo launched its Reno 4 Pro in India, the handset maker is now readying its Reno 5 series comprising Reno 5, Reno 5 Pro and Reno 5 Pro Plus for the Indian market, the media has reported. The new report has popped up courtesy of a leakster on Weibo, as according to leak, there will be 3 devices in the Oppo Reno 5 series of smartphones: Oppo Reno 5, Oppo Reno 5 Pro and Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus. So there will be an additional device this time around, which should not come as a surprise given that almost all the smartphone manufacturers have now been pushing a Pro Plus or an Ultra variant of their flagship devices on the market. Coming to the processors, the Oppo Reno 5 is said to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 775G processor. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro, on the other hand, will reportedly be equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor. Lastly, the Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus will also run on the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor as according to the leak. There is no official information from the handset maker on when to expect the Oppo Reno series in the country. The Reno 5 series is expected to bring in 5G technology as well as design upgrades from the current Reno 4 series. At 7.7 mm thickness and 161 grams of weight, the latest Oppo Reno 4 Pro is the lightest and sleekest Reno branded smartphone from the handset maker so far. It features a curved display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a Super AMOLED screen. It has 65W Super VOOC 2.0 fast charging tech that can fuel the phone up in just 36 minutes and offer long-lasting battery capacity. The Oppo Reno 4 Pro's display has one of the highest brightness levels at around 790 nits in the Indian smartphone market. The Reno 4 Pro has a quad camera module at the rear panel headed by 48 megapixel sensor. Other than that, there is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, a 2 megapixel macro sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. One should keep in mind that it's too early a time to confirm this leak, as the Oppo Reno 5 series might take a considerable period of time to launch. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.